If you want to convert the text to table, so you can do it. Select it and then go to the insert tab, and insert tab go to the table option and then choose the insert table option. A table will be inserted according to your text. Okay, again I'll tell you, select it, go to the insert table, then in table choose the option of insert table. A table will be inserted. So if you want to perform calculation on the numeric data entered in a table, so you can do it. There are some simple steps to do the calculation in a table. First, enter the data in a table. When you enter the data, then click in the cell where the result is to be displayed. Okay, now go to the layout tab. In the layout tab, there will be an option of formula button in the data group. Click on it, a dialog box will be open. Note that the sum formula is already displayed. You can change it to multiply, subtraction, or anything else that you want to do. Okay, next go to this and go to the next option, and from the drop down menu choose the option and then click on the OK. So your result will be appear on that place. Again click on the cell where you want the result, then again go to the formula and then you can choose the multiplication, subtraction, or anything else that you want to apply formula. Then click on the OK and the result will be appear in that cell.